Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Play Store and checking which Google account has Play Pass. Tap your profile icon at the top right. This reveals account settings and subscriptions. Once done, make sure the visible account matches the one you subscribed with. Switching accounts will alter what you see. You're preparing the right context, so the next actions affect the correct subscription. Now tap Payments and Subscriptions to move immediately into subscription management without delay. You'll now tap Subscriptions and locate Google Play Pass in the list. Once found, select Cancel Subscription. The interface asks for a reason and shows your remaining access period. Proceed by confirming cancellation. You might be offered alternatives like pausing or switching plans, but choose Cancel if you want removal. After confirming, check for cancellation email. If you see a refund option, review it. Refunds depend on purchase date and local policy, so act quickly if you need one. You finish by verifying that Play Pass no longer appears under subscriptions and that a confirmation email arrived. You can keep or uninstall Play Pass apps. Apps remain usable until the subscription ends. If cancellation didn't register, clear the Play Store cache and data, or sign out and sign back into your Google account to refresh status. If problems persist, check Family Manager settings or payment methods. Those can block changes. One strong troubleshooting tip: reboot after clearing cache to force account sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.